When a house will sit near large trees, follow the foundation depth near roots thumb rule and place footings deeper than usual to avoid root damage and soil disturbance. Start by assessing tree species, mature root extent, and soil type because roots from trees like oak and eucalyptus can extend well beyond the canopy and exert pressure on shallow footings. The rule of thumb is to extend footing depth and width beyond the standard frost depth by at least 1.5 times the expected root zone when trees are within the building footprint or very close to it. For sandy or expansive clay soils, increasing depth reduces the risk of differential settlement caused by seasonal moisture shifts that roots induce. Consider using drilled piers or piles driven or bored below the active root zone to transfer loads to stable strata. This isolates the foundation from shallow root-related soil movement. Installing physical root barriers between the tree and the foundation helps redirect roots downward or laterally and should be placed vertically to the depth where most lateral roots are expected. Always pair these measures with localized soil improvements such as compaction, geotextile layers, or engineered fill to create a consistent bearing layer under footings. 3 common mistakes are assuming frost depth is sufficient near large trees, cutting roots without professional guidance, and relying solely on shallow spread footings when nearby trees are present. If you use only frost depth, you risk roots heaving or decaying and causing voids that lead to settlement. Mitigate this by increasing footing depth and consulting a structural engineer. If roots are cut indiscriminately, trees can decline and drop large limbs later, causing hazard and additional soil disturbance. Have an arborist evaluate and perform any root pruning using proper techniques and aftercare. If shallow spread footings are used because they are cheaper, they will be vulnerable to root-induced movement. Instead, switch to deeper drilled piers or piles or add root barriers to protect shallow systems. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners and contractors connect around projects like foundation planning near trees and provides a place where we can share local experiences and contractor recommendations. We host a discussion community so our users can ask questions, read real scenarios, and find contractors looking for work in their area.